Good morning, students. Now we shall continue with the problems on flow through pipes. Problem number 5. Air at 2 atmosphere and 200 degree centigrade is heated as it flows at a velocity of 12 meter per second through a tube with a diameter of 3 centimeter. A constant heat flux condition is maintained at the wall and the wall temperature is 20 degree centigrade above the air temperature all along the length of the tube. Calculate first bit heat transfer rate per unit length of the tube. B. Increase in bulk temperature of air over 4 meter length of the tube. Properties of air at 200 degree centigrade are given. Prandtl number, mu, K and Cp. Now density rho equal to P by RT. Substituting the values, we will get rho equal to 1.493 kg per meter cube. Reynolds number is equal to rho UMD by mu. We know the velocity value of velocity. It is 12 meter per second. Diameter is 3 centimeters. Substitute, get the value of Reynolds number. Reynolds number will get as 20,914. It is more than 2,300. Hence the flow is turbulent. Then find out. Use the Dittus-Spalter equation as the flow is turbulent. Nu equal to Hd by K equal to 0.023, Re raised to 0.8, Pr raised to 0.4. Find the value of H. Now, once you find the value of H, Q equal to, we know that Q equal to H into area into delta T. So, area is, Q by L equal to H into pi D into Tw minus Tb. So delta T is wall temperature is maintained 20 degree above the air temperature. So Tw minus Tb is 20 degree. Substituting value of H and delta T, you will get Q by L, heat transfer per unit length of the tube, is equal to 136.79 watt per meter. Now find the mass of the air flowing, rho into AC into Um. You will get 0.0126 kg per second. Now, we know that Q is also equal to mCp into delta Tb. So, substitute the value of m and Cp, and Q heat transferred is asking bulk temperature, increase in bulk temperature over 4 meter length of the tube. So, heat transfer per unit length is 136.79. For 4 meter, 136.79 into 4. Substituting the values in and find the value of equating to mCp delta Tb, you will get increase in bulk temperature delta Tb equal to 42.15 degree centigrade. Now I will go to the problem number 6 already has been solved. Problem number 7. Engine oil nu equal to 0.8 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second, K equal to 0.14 watt per meter degree centigrade, flows with a mean velocity of 0.2 meter per second inside a 1.25 centimeter diameter tube with a electrically heated, which is electrically heated at the wall at a uniform rate of Q equal to 2450 watt per meter square. The heat transfer is taking place in the thermally developed region. Calculate the temperature difference between the tube wall surface and the mean flow temperature. First, find the Reynolds number, UMD by nu. You will get 31.25. Hence the flow is, it is less than 2300. Hence the flow is laminar. So use the, hence it is subjected to wall is subjected to uniform heat flux. Use the formula H equal to 48 by 11 K by D. Substituting the value of K by D, you will get the value of H. Then you know the value of H. Then he is asking temperature difference between the wall surface and the mean fluid temperature delta T. Q equal to HA delta T. Q is already given in terms of watt per meter square. Therefore, delta T equal to Q by H is equal to 50.1 degree centigrade. A simple problem it is. Now, last problem in this 8th problem. So, water at 25 degree centigrade flows along a tube with a diameter through a tube of 50 mm diameter. Determine the flow rate that will result in a Reynolds number of 1600. The tube is provided with a nichrome heating element on its surface and receives a constant heat flux of 800 watt per meter length of the tube. Determine the average heat transfer coefficient between the water and the tube wall, assuming fully developed conditions. Also determine the length of the tube for the bulk temperature of water to rise from 25 degree centigrade to 50 degree centigrade. So again, he has given the Reynolds number as 1600, it is less than 2300, it is a laminar flow. So he is asking mass equal to, his Reynolds number is equal to 4m by pi d mu. So he is asking the mass equal to pi d mu into Reynolds number by 400. So then mass of the fluid, mass of the water you got as, will get as 0.0575 kg per second. Then it is, since it is a constant heat flux, use the formula Nu equal to Hd by K equal to 4.364. Then find the value of H for the laminar flow. It is 53.24 watt per meter square degree centigrade. Now already you have found out, the H. Then he is asking what is the water is heated from 25 to 50 degree centigrade. The mean temperature of water is 25 plus 50 divided by 2 is equal to 37.5. At 37.5, find the value of Cp. It is 41 from data handbook. Cp equal to 4178 joule per kg Kelvin. Then he is asking length. So m into, m, Cp, delta T. Delta T is from 25 to 50. Q by L. Q by L is known. Heat transfer per unit length, Q by L into L is equal to mCp delta T. So you will get the length of the tube is equal to 7.507 meters. So these are the some of the problems have been solved on internal flows or flow through pipes. Thank you.